Welcome everybody to Mind Markets Trading Psychology, the place where we learn you about trading psychology and how you can accelerate your journey as a trader. Make sure you watch to the end if you're interested in trading psychology and if you want to win a free 20k challenge. Let's go. So in this short presentation, we're gonna talk about certain things. We're starting this video series on all of our refill topics. The refill test is a test we developed to help traders with their trading psychology and help them gain insight in their trading pitfalls. So, refill, we're gonna do a short video series about that to help you guys understand what it means. We're going to address various psychology topics, of course, on trading, and we're going to do a few case studies of a few of our clients we've helped before to show you that you're not the only one with this problem and to show you how we can help you. So, nice and all working on trading psychology, but it's not sexy and not a lot of traders look into it. But still, we started Mind Markets, and I guess you're wondering why. Well, because there are two problems with people who are trying to trade full time. Problem one, traders get stuck during live trading or during a challenge. And problem number two, traders are unaware of the impact of trading psychology. A lot of people show cool Lambos and charts and 100 indicators on how to trade, but not a lot of people really show an interest in how to work on your trading psychology. So, with this, we are going to help you become a real profitable trader with real results. Of course, to these problems, there's a solution. There's where Mind Markets comes in place. So, the first thing we need to do is gain insights about yourself and facts about trading psychology so you really understand why this is such an important topic when it comes to trading. And solution number two is coaching and data driven advice. We've developed several tools to help you gain insight in yourself and also where a lot of traders go wrong. So that's very useful information you can use when working on your trading and learning to become a profitable trader. Our services. What do we offer? Well, first of all, we have the refill test. This is a personality test we developed for traders in collaboration with a psychologist who knows how trading works. And the interesting thing about this, we also used already profitable traders who trade for a living for over 2 years as a benchmark. So your results will be compared to people who are where you want to be. Second, we offer education. We wrote an online ebook on how your brain works, how trading psychology works, and some hacks you can use in your daily life as well to improve on your psychology. We made some white papers which you can use during your trading so you know if you're slipping into a mistake or if you're too excited or too happy when trading, and this helps you to keep you in your place. And the third of all is coaching. Trading can be tough, especially mentally. So we created a Discord group where you can meet like-minded people who already have been through the things you might have gone through. So you can help each other, and it's also good for people to connect with each other, to help each other on certain topics you're struggling with. For example, discipline, keeping to your plan, over trading. This is something all traders have experienced, and certain people use certain strategies to overcome this. So it's also very useful to learn from each other and be in a group of people who are actively working on their psychology journey into trading. The refill test is one of the tools we advise to our traders to help them grow in their psychological journey. We've made this test in collaboration with psychologists and profitable traders, and it gives you a full risk profile on where your strengths and weaknesses are, and it gives you a personal advice on where you need to work on. The letters of the refill test stand for risk taking, ego strength, fear management, impulse control, and learning analytical skills. So we're gonna go by each letter on another video series, but we're gonna explain in short what these letters mean and how they help you. So first off is risk taking. This is a very important part of trading, and it basically means how much are you risking? Are you comfortable, and are you willing to stick to your trading plan without risking too much? Ego strength. Sometimes ego can get in the way of your trading results. So it's very important to know when this is happening and how to fight it. So the most important part is no expectations. The market is always right. You act with confidence, but you're not overconfident. And you also keep an open mind for other options in the market. For example, if you're only looking for longs and for buys, you tend to forget that there's also a sell side in the market. And very important as well is to journal, because if you don't journal, you don't know what went wrong, why you took a trade, and many traders forget this because they don't have to take responsibility for their actions, but that's not how trading works. So it's key to keep a journal. Fear management. This is a part where a lot of new traders go wrong. They're either afraid of missing out or afraid of losing, or someone told them to buy a certain crypto coin or buy a certain stock, and they're just too afraid to miss out. So, this is a very dangerous part of trading because you're not thinking on your own, and this also has to do with not taking responsibility of your own actions. So you have to remember that if you really want to learn how to trade, this is a skill you can use for the rest of your life. So it's your journey, you have to learn from your mistakes, and you also have to make your own mistakes. So focus on the long term and stay true to yourself. Impulse control. It's key to know when your impulses are starting to play up. So, for example, you took two bad trades and now you're tilting, you're angry, and we're too short, and now you think, okay, well, short isn't gonna work, I'm gonna go long and I'm gonna buy. This is not controlling your impulses. You are greedy, you are not disciplined, and it's also linked to fear because you're afraid you're wrong. While this is a very important part of trading, you have to remember your impulses will get the better of you if you can't control them. So you have to know when this is happening and you have to know how to stop this. And also, this is something that the refill test will show on how good you are in controlling your impulses and how you can work on this as well. Learning and analytical skills. This component shows how quick you learn things and how quick you learn from your own mistakes. It shows if you have insight in your data and how quick you can educate yourself on certain topics. What we see with a lot of traders is they make mistakes, they journal, but still they don't learn from their mistakes. They don't see what went wrong and, more importantly, why it went wrong. So, learning analytical skills shows you how quick you can learn from these mistakes and how quick you can overcome these things. This is something also the refill test shows. So, for example, if you score low on this component, it probably means you keep making the same mistakes over and over again. Like I said before, we offer the refill test, but there are also other topics we will discuss in this mini video series. For example, how do our minds work? This is something we also address in our ebook you can download. We also have a free white paper you can download on our website as well. We discuss why we are scared, so this is linked to fear management and why this is happening in our brains. Why trading psychology is 80% of being profitable. This also has to do with something that I think everyone has done. They see their strategy working, and all of a sudden the market changes or it just doesn't work anymore. And what people tend to do is to go back to the drawing board and look at what could be different in their technical analysis. While actually 80% of trading is in your mind. So it's about trading psychology, building a better mind, and being stronger in what you do. And number four is concrete steps you can take into bettering in your journey. And also, if we look in the pyramid on the right, We start at the bottom. So all traders want the dream of to get rich quick, and this is just not how it works. If you're at this stage, I can tell you right now, this is not how it works. So 40% after those people will only trade for 1 month, probably with a demo account, or they blow up a small live account and they just give up. 80% of those people who remain quit within the first 2 years because they don't see results, and 7% of those people remain after 5 years, and just 1% of all people who started with trading will profit fees. So this shows how ridiculously small the percentage of people is who are actually making money out of trading. And we also believe this has a lot to do with the psychology of trading, but also how people are these days. People nowadays think that they invest a year or invest 2 years in their future and they will become very rich in a short period of time. Well, again, this is not how it works. So be realistic, but also dream big. We are also going to do a case study. We're going to show how we trade ourselves, how we approach trading psychology, and how we did help other traders. So, we're going to show you how our trading weeks went and what psychological struggles we've had and how to overcome these. But we're also going to show you a case study of a client of ours. We're going to give you the results of the refill test, and this shows where this person had to work on. And we're going to start a one on one session and show them and really give them insight in their pitfalls and how they learn from that. So, if you're still on the fence of whether trading psychology is important, this will definitely help you get a better understanding. What else? Well, like I said before, we also have more than just a personality test. We wrote an online ebook that shows you how your brain works and how your mind works during trading, and how you probably go around your day to day business with things you don't even know about how your mind responds to that. So, that's also something we included in our package that is very useful for traders. We develop blueprints you can use while you are trading. These are blueprints that can help you identify mistakes you keep making and help you understand why you are making them. So, this is also another tool you can use in your everyday trading sessions to help you remove those mistakes and become a better all rounded trader. As of now, we also have a 20K challenge where we give away a free challenge of my Forex funds to trade with for 20K. We have a free Discord you can join. So if you're interested in that and if you want to meet like minded people who are also investing in trading psychology, you should check out our website. It's mind markets.com. And for now, we also have an online environment in which all these tools and all these things are combined. So I will give you a quick look on how that looks. When you join, you start here. You have our dashboard where we're posting blogs, we're posting information about trading psychology, and just all around updates about mind markets. When you go to resources, you see what you have bought. For example, we offer three various packages. So you have Pro, Pro Plus, and Premium, where Premium is the most complete. So when you're just starting out, you're gonna do the refill test. And it's gonna give you the refill test itself and a short explanation on why we made this test and what it says. So when you click your package, for example, you bought Premium, you can see what we offer here. There is an ebook. So this is what I told you guys about. There's an ebook where we show you well why it is important. We also have the white paper with 10 trading pitfalls, the ebook itself. So we can show you how our ebook looks. So this is just a short overview on what you're gonna get, and it's pretty long, and we'll discuss a lot of topics. So after you've done the ebook, there's also an online library. This is a place where we're going to show you what other books to read on trading psychology and trading itself. We also made a list of videos you can watch for free, so there's a lot of value in just chapter 1 already. So after that you go to the blueprints, and as you can see here we have various blueprints in this package. There's a demon finder, an emotional journey, a daily plan. This is just to keep yourself sharp and to remember what your objective is for that day, what you're looking for, so you can give yourself feedback at the end of the day. And also a flow chart on how your mind works before, during, and after a trade. Here again, we discuss all the refill topics and what they really mean, and also a day trader's pattern. So after that, there's also our Discord community. Here, we're giving a short explanation on why we started this Discord channel and what the rules are. And there's a link to join where you can talk to other traders, talk about trading psychology, where we also share blogs and other things you as a trader will benefit from. So back to resources. So that's in short the package. You will also get a full personal advice after you've taken the refill test, which you could have seen some short pictures from in the presentation. But if you want more information, you can always shoot us a message. So when you've done the entire package, there's also some bonus features, for example, mindset hacks. Here we give some extra tips on how to work on your motivation, what a positive mindset means, how to breathe properly, how to reduce stress, fast reading. So there's all these extra things you also get when you're joining us. And lastly, we have some brokers we're working with, and we can show you here. For stock traders, forex traders, and crypto traders. And we're working together with brokers to give you the best possible commission to trade, because at the end of the day, psychology, so psychology. At the end of the day, psychology is important, but it's also about trading. So this is all the value we offer, and more, of course. But you will just have to buy the package to really get to know what we offer. Again, if you have any questions, just let us know. So, in short, guys, that's what Mind Markets is. We are already giving away some free knowledge. There's a free Discord group you can join to get your feet wet, to get to talk to other traders who are also working on their psychology. We do regularly free giveaways. For example, now there is a 20k giveaway which you can enter. So you also have to check out our website or our Discord on the rules on how to join. And as of now, there are 10 trading pitfalls you can download for free to know what mistakes novice traders are making and how you can overcome this. So, again, thank you for watching. If you have any questions, just let us know and trade well.